Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Club Pro Plus earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can fix the connection problem. So as you can see, each time I try to connect them by using this standard connection, I get the notification that they cannot communicate, so my phone and the earbuds. And just take a look, I'm going to show you one more time that it's really happening right now. Yeah, there it is. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so at the first I can recommend you to power off Bluetooth on your phone and then close the case of your earbuds. As you can see, indicator is turned on. It means that they are fully charged. After it disappears, you can just open the case, and right now you can simply take them out of this case and power on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Right now you have to wait until they pops on the list, and here they are. So select them once by tapping and then accept pairing request. Take a look right now. As you can see, it's working. So as you can see, that's the method how we can fix this connection problem with our JBL Club Pro Plus earbuds. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.